Hi. What happens when a work item or task is rejected by the approving user? simpliRP BCMS is smart enough to route it to the previous user. All further actions on that task will be blocked also. Now, we are logged in as Ashish Sen, who is an approval user. We can see there are 2 pending work items. In that, we can see a purchase requisition initiated from simpliRP ERP. You can now enter the comments and reject. That's all. The work item is moved to previous users. All further actions on that task will be blocked also. We are now logged in as the previous user. That is, Ajit Sinha. Here, in the completed work item, we can see that task of purchase requisition. Click that. You can see the status as rejected. You can also see the complete audit trail and all the comments by users. simpliRP Business Control and Management System is the easiest way to manage your business process management. Thank you.